Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Adsterra for display ads with WordPress, detailed guide step by step clearly. First, navigate to the Adsterra website and create an account if you don't have one. After registering, log into your Adsterra dashboard. Click on the Sites tab to add your WordPress site. In the Add Site section, enter your site URL and click Add Site. You will receive an approval email once Adsterra reviews your site. Once approved, go back to your dashboard and select the Ads tab. Choose the type of ad you want to configure. Click on Display Ads to create a new ad unit. Fill in the necessary fields, such as ad name, size, and type. Adjust the settings according to your preferences. After configuring the ad, click Save to create the ad unit. Next, copy the ad code provided by Adsterra. Now, log into your WordPress admin panel. In the WordPress dashboard, navigate to Appearance and then click on Widgets. Select the Custom HTML widget from the available options. Drag the Custom HTML widget to your desired sidebar or foot. Paste the Adsterra ad code you copied earlier into the HTML widget. Make sure to click Save to apply the changes. Visit your WordPress site to see if the display ad is live. If the ad doesn't appear, refresh your site or clear your cache. Return to Adsterra's dashboard to monitor your ad performance. Regularly check for analytics to optimize your ad placements. Adjust the ad settings based on performance metrics as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.